This is called meal prep. It's basically chicken, rice, lemon, garlic, okay, with a bit of yogurt. It's a marinated chicken. So, a bit of oil. There's the full fat Greek yogurt. 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. Your rice. About 1 kilo of chicken. That's 2.2 pounds in idiotic American. Gargantuan amount of broccoli. Now that's a lemon, and I peeled it. And I'm gonna finally chop that. I'm also gonna take the juice out of that. Here are the herbs. Cumin, cayenne pepper in the middle, cayenne pepper, and then rosemary. And there's a bit of salt and pepper, okay? So I'm gonna show you how this all goes together. 400 grams of rice. I'm using fragrant jasmine rice. That's 400 grams of rice, and that needs about 500 milliliters of water, so there we go. I've already washed this rice, so it's gonna be nice and clear. And we need to add in some salt, right? So let's give it about that much, okay? Put a knob of butter in there as well, okay? By the way, don't use brown rice. It has no nutritional value beyond white rice. The whole fiber thing was complete misinformation. So now we're gonna put that on the lowest heat, and we're gonna cook it for approximately 20 minutes. Motherfucker! I cannot believe I dropped the chicken breast on the floor. The floor has been cleaned. You might have big chicken breasts, in which case you can get 5 cuts into it, okay? The knife is almost parallel to the board. I'd say it's at about 30 degrees, okay? When you're done, that's what you're looking for, okay? Delicious! Not yet, really. Just do this, okay? Bang it real hard. So let's just chop the ever-living shit out of this stuff now. Put the garlic in with your chicken. Rice looks good. Give it a little stir. Lemon rind. There you go, lemon rind. That's half of a lemon. Let's just start chopping it at least, okay? That's the lemon rind. Lemon juice, okay? Now, salt and pepper. Alright, so this is what salt looks like. 20. 20. Did you know that lemon juice can actually cook it without heat? I'm using olive oil. By the way, you know who invented this? Some guy connected to the James Bond franchise. Throw them in there, okay? Boom, boom, boom. So get all your broccoli in there. Like that. So next, put the lid on it. Give it 5 minutes, okay? Or maybe 6 minutes, until fork tender. You'll notice it goes bright green while you're cooking it. It'll go quite dull at 7 minutes, so don't overcook it, and make sure you shock it with cold water so it keeps its texture and keeps its color. So basically, get rid of all the hot water, fill it with cold water. Simple as that. See the way it still looks nice and green? And the fork goes through it nicely. Okay, cumin. And then we need some cayenne. Half a teaspoon of that. Cayenne pepper. Half a teaspoon. And another half a teaspoon of rosemary. Rosemary goes great with chicken. Now when you're reheating this dish tomorrow or the next day, don't put the yogurt in with it. You're gonna ruin your yogurt, okay? This needs to be kept separate and in the fridge. Throw in a few pieces of chicken like that. Get yourself some rice. Okay. I'm just using an old Chinese food container here. We have lots. You put them in there. You can eat as much as the broccoli as you like, okay? There's no such thing as free food like in Weight Watchers or anything like that, but you can fill up on this stuff, okay? So just trying to make it look nice, and then we're gonna pack it with a little bit of rice. Okay, do this. Don't do too much rice. Then you want a few pieces of chicken. Like that. Make it look pretty. Put your broccoli down. And I think that's a halfway decent dish. The extra lemon rind that I put in absolutely makes the dish. So, bon appetit, I suppose. And good. I'm just going to get a few photographs.